Kulesigcawu sanamhlanje i-NPA idalule ukuthi izofaka isicelo sokuguqula izizathu ezaholela ekutheni kusungulwe uphenyo ngobuqotho buka-Advocate Chauke kulandela ubufakazi obethulwe inhloko yalolu phiko u-Advocate Shamila Batohi.
If you'd like us to consider your request, you have to file a substantive application for an amendment. If we are to consider this request, failing which, I suppose you know where this request should go to.
I-NPA ithole ukuthi lesicelo kuzomela isifake kumengameli wezwe noma kungqongqoshe wezobulungiswa.
If you have to file a substantive application, they will then have to answer. In that event, we will be able, if persuaded, to present those documents to the minister or to the president via the minister.
Osukwini lakhe lokugcina ethuna ubufakazi, u-Advocate Batohi uthi ziningi izinto ezingachazwa njengokungaziphathi kahle uChauke azenza.
What Advocate Chauke did in this matter was not conduct himself, was in fact amounted to misconduct. And the Zondo Commission was ongoing, looking into allegations of capture in the NPA. You're correct, I had the original de Kock report, and there was a wealth of information that suggested, in fact, there was also the Boyson review that had taken place.
U-Advocate Chauke osamisiwe uphenywa ngezinqumo ezithinta ukhoxiswa kwamacala okukhona kuwona lalibhekene nowabe eyinhloko yezomhloli ku-SAPS uRichard Mdluli owayebhekene necala lokubulawa kuka-Oupa Ramokgibe. Ukushushiswa kowabe eyinhloko yama-Hawks KwaZulu-Natal uMajor General Johan Booysen namalungu ophiko lwamacala ahleliwe ase-Katameno kanye nezinye izinsolo.